what's up? Today we're making creme brulee. What makes creme brulee so awesome? Well, it's lots of things. Creme brulee is easy to make. It only takes like 4 or 5 ingredients: sugar, egg yolks, vanilla, cream. You can make it as awesome as you want or chill as you want. It's an impressive looking dessert. People always think that you did more work than you actually did. That caramelized top and that boom, when you crunch through it, that's amazing. The #1 reason why creme brulee is so awesome is because it tastes delicious. Where does creme brulee come from anyway? Everyone just assumes it's French, right? Creme brulee actually means burnt cream. You don't really burn the cream, you burn the sugar on top of the cream. But I digress. You might think it's French, but the English and Spain has claims to creme brulee. But the thing is, they had different versions. I don't know if I want to give them credit for it. Like in England, this college student, he came up with a recipe that it wasn't egg cream base, but it was unsweetened. But then the sugar was sprinkled on top and it was caramelized. And then in Spain, the version they came up with didn't use a water bath. I mean, I don't know. Who knows? Apparently this was going all around Europe. So you can't really give credit to any one culture, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna give it to the French because it's their name. So I'm gonna give it to the French. Oui, oui. I got no problem with you Spanish, no more. That's all great. English, bruv, we're good. But I gotta give this one to France. This has nothing to do with anything, but if you notice, creme brulee have basically the same ingredients as vanilla ice cream. I mean, you just can't go wrong with those ingredients. Now, do you need any special equipment to make creme brulee? You need ramekins. Now, they make glass ramekins, they make ceramic ramekins. I prefer ceramic ramekins. There's no reason why, it's no big deal, it's just my personal preference. And you're gonna need a baking dish that can hold your ramekins, and that's high up on the sides to hold the water bath. We're gonna need to make a water bath, pour some hot water in there, so we're definitely gonna need that. But you really don't need a kitchen torch, a butane torch. Now, you don't need this because you actually can use your broiler. I would suggest if you're using your broiler that you don't sprinkle on regular sugar, that you sprinkle on brown sugar, light brown sugar. Oh, so I'm excited. I love this dessert. It's so much bang for your buck. As far as hands-on time, it goes like that. So let's cook. I'm excited. I love this dessert. I'm going to get this oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. Next, put the ramekins in the baking dish or pan. Just going to fill this pot with water. The recipe we're making is for 2, but there's no problem doubling it. We're going to put on a pot of water to boil. Next, I'm going to get my egg yolks in a bowl and whisk them. Next, in a large bowl, I'm going to add the whipping cream, the salt, the vanilla, and the sugar. Now we're going to whisk this stuff up. Next, we're gonna pour the cream mixture into the egg yolk mixture and mix this stuff really good until it's nice and creamy. We're gonna pour our fine mixture into the ramekins as evenly as we possibly can. Now we're gonna pour that boiling water halfway up the ramekins. Okay guys, be very careful. We're gonna get this baking dish into the oven. Now we're gonna bake this off for 35 to 40 minutes. A little tip, check after the 30-minute mark because you really don't want to overbake these. Now be extra careful in removing them from the hot water bath. I like to use heat-proof gloves for this. Just be careful guys, just be mindful. Cooking is supposed to be fun, but nothing is fun about burning yourself. When you take it out, the middle will still have a little movement, but the top should just have a hint of golden color. The sides should be set. Once they're cool, you're gonna cover them with plastic wrap and toss them in the refrigerator. And you're gonna leave them there for about 4 hours. I know, grasshopper, but your patience will be rewarded. Pull them out of the fridge and remove the plastic wrap. Sprinkle 2½ teaspoons of sugar on each dessert. No more than that, that is just too much. If you have a kitchen butane torch or a kitchen torch or a blow torch, not a blow torch, do not use a blow torch. You're golden. Just hold the torch a few inches from the dessert and try to go in an even motion until the tops develop a golden brown crust. Now some people like theirs darker, some people like them on the lighter side. You got to do what you and your family enjoy. It's your kitchen, do what you want. So you don't have a kitchen torch, you say. If you don't have a kitchen torch, you're still good. Just use a little light brown sugar instead of regular sugar, and you want to broil it for 3 or 4 minutes, but you want to watch it like a hawk. Okay guys, once you caramelize the sugar, you want to serve it and eat it right away. Hear that? Look at that, guys. Is that not beautiful? Oh, that is so good.